If you want to update DNS on Bluehost, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to change your DNS records quickly and correctly, whether you need to point your domain to a new website, update email settings, or verify a service with a TXT record. This is a simple process, but it's important to be careful, because the wrong change can affect your website or email. If this tutorial helps, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Let's get into it. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the Domains section. This is where Bluehost keeps all of your domain settings in one place. Click on Domains and then choose the domain you want to update. If you manage more than one domain, make sure you select the correct one so you don't accidentally edit the wrong site. After selecting your domain, look for a button or option that says Settings or Manage Domain. Bluehost may slightly change the wording depending on your account layout, but the goal is the same. You need to open the Domain Management area. Once you're there, find the section labeled DNS or DNS Records. This is where all of your domain records are stored and managed. Now click Manage DNS Records. You should see a list of records like A, CNAME, MX, and TXT. Each record has a different purpose. The A record points your domain to an IP address. The CNAME record points a subdomain to another hostname. The MX record controls where your email is delivered. And the TXT record is often used for verification, email authentication, or connecting third-party services. Next, find the specific record you want to change. For example, if you're connecting your domain to a new website host, you may need to update the A record. If you're connecting a subdomain like www, you may need to change a CNAME record. If you're setting up email, you may need to adjust MX records, and if a platform asks you to add a verification code, that usually means a TXT record. Once you find the correct record, click Edit next to it. This will open the settings for that DNS entry. Now carefully change the value you need to update. Make sure you enter the information exactly as provided by your hosting provider, email provider, or verification service. Even a small typo can cause the record to fail, so take your time here. After entering the new value, click Save. Bluehost will store the updated DNS record, but keep in mind that DNS changes do not update instantly everywhere. This process is called propagation, and it can take some time for the new record to spread across the internet. In some cases, changes can happen within minutes, but in other cases, it may take several hours, or even up to 48 hours. While you wait, it's a good idea to double-check that you edited the correct record and that all values are accurate. If you're changing records for a website migration, email setup, or domain verification, be patient and allow time for the change to fully take effect. And that's it. You've now learned how to update DNS on Bluehost step by step. Once you know where to find your domain settings and how to edit the right DNS record, the process becomes much easier. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.